Okay, dear friends, let's start with another PYQ asked in 2014 for 2 marks. A box of weight 100 kilonewton shown in the figure is to be lifted without swinging. So the box should be lifted without swinging, and the self weight is given as 100 kilonewton. If all the forces are coplanar means all the forces acting on this box are in the same plane. The magnitude and direction theta of the force F with respect to x-axis should be. So you can see in this figure the x-axis is given, perpendicular to that is y-axis, and we are having three forces: 90 kilonewton which is at an angle of 30 degree with x-axis, 40 kilonewton at an angle of 45 degree with x-axis, and some force F at some angle theta. Okay, and 100 kilonewton obviously will be acting in the downward direction. So now we are supposed to find two unknowns, that is the force F, magnitude of force F, and direction theta. Okay, now let us start with this question by first drawing. Again I will be drawing here the figure. Okay, so you can see now I will be using two concepts. One is the resolution of forces. Okay, so 100 kilonewton is this. So resolution of forces, I will be resolving the forces in both the direction x-axis and y-axis. At the same time I will be using then equilibrium equations. Okay, so suppose this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Okay, this is my axis. So one force you can see it is acting at 90 kilonewton is acting at an angle of 30 degree. Same way another force 40 kilonewton is acting at an angle of 45 degree, and another force F is acting at some angle theta. Okay, so how to resolve the forces? So just drop a perpendicular from all the forces, okay, on both the axis, x-axis and y-axis. You have to drop the perpendicular on x-axis as well as y-axis so that we can easily resolve the forces. And now we will apply equilibrium equation, that is sigma fx is equal to 0, that is summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0. The forces acting in the left direction is equal to forces acting in the right direction, and sigma fy is equal to 0 means the summation of vertical forces is 0. The forces acting in upward direction is equal to forces acting in the downward direction. So let us apply first of all sigma fx is equal to 0. So I will resolve all the forces in horizontal direction, right? So 90 kilonewton, so this horizontal component will become 90 cos 30, right? 90 cos 30 is equal to, because these both the forces will be in right direction, so 40 cos 45 degree, 40 cos 45 degree plus F cos theta. Okay, so just take this on left hand side. F cos theta is equal to 90 cos 30 minus 40 cos 45. Let us find out. 90 cos 30 degree minus 40 cos 45 degree. So we will get answer is equal to 49.65. Okay, so net 49.65. Let us write it. Then another thing, another condition, sigma fy is equal to 0. So here you can see the vertical component. Vertical component is 90 sin 30 degree. So 90 sin 30 degree plus the vertical component of this 40 kilonewton will be 40 sin 45 degree, 40 sin 45 degree plus F sin theta, I don't know theta, I don't know F, is equal to how much is in downward direction? It is 100 kilonewton. Okay, 100. So again I will, from this equation I will get F sin theta. So what is F sin theta? Basically 100 minus all these things, so 100 100 minus 90 sine 30. Sine 30 is half, so 100 minus 45 minus 40 into sine 45 is equal to 26.71. Okay, so 26.71. Now I am having number 1 equation, number 2 equation, f cos theta, f sin theta. So let us take ratio f sin theta upon f cos theta. I know it is tan theta. 26.71 divided by 49.65. So theta is equal to tan inverse of this 26.71, 49.65. So 26.71 divided by 49.65, this much. Tan inverse of answer we are getting 28.27. Okay, so 28.278 means 28.28. Theta we are getting 28.28 degree. Now substitute the value of theta in any of the equation 1 or 2. So we will get the value of f. So f cos 28.28 degree is equal to 49.65. So what is the value of f? F is equal to 49.65 divided by cos 28.28 degree. So we will get answer 56.38. 379 means 38. 56.38 kilonewton. Okay, so both the answers. So theta is equal to 28.28 degree and f is equal to 56.38 kilonewton. So what is the answer? You can see here the answer is A. Okay, thank you very much.